Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And welcome to another episode of my Halloween Spooktacular 2025 craft series. For today's project, I've created this adorable ghost mini album. I had so much fun making this and I just love the pastel theme. Before I review this project in further detail, let me show you some of the items that I used. The paper collection that I used is by Paper Rose. It's called Pink Halloween. I love this paper. It came out last year. What I love about this, of course, is that it's pink, but it also has wonderful ephemera and die cut pieces which make scrapbooking and card making very easy. I used the Ghost Mini Album die set from Scrap Diva Designs. Now this came out, I think, in 2023, and I just think this is so adorable. This is my first time working with this die set, and it was really a lot of fun. I also use these concentric nesting dies by Scrap Diva Designs. I use the oval. I love the way this pastel ghost mini album turned out. It was so easy to make. Now I've made this for a special little girl in my family. She just turned 3, so this will grow with her for the next few years. This mini album, I think, is a perfect size. It measures 6 3/4 from top to bottom, and at the widest point on the base is 5 inches. I'm going to adjust my camera so I can give you a closer look on the inside of the album. Here's a closer look at the front of my mini album. On the top, we have this KSCraft witch bow die. But all of these elements here in the center are from the ephemera in the Paper Rose Pink Halloween paper collection. So here it says Trick or Treat. I love these little witch trick-or-treaters here. I think they look absolutely adorable. And then on the bottom it says ghouls just want to have fun. Now I also used rub-on transfers to add the spider webs here. And for each of the die cuts, I did back it on 110-pound cardstock to make it much more sturdy. And on the left we have more of this pretty ribbon. On the first page, it says Trick or Treat. That's a cute little banner. And I love this little boy with his 2 jack-o'-lanterns. Now, for each page, I have created this little journaling spot so the mother can write down special memories. And then each of the photo mats, all you have to do is slide the photo in. You don't even have to use any glue. All this area is lifted up except for the sides, and you just slide the photo in. I've also included photo mats that the mother can use to trace out the pictures as she begins to fill this book. On the right-hand side, we have this adorable little striped basket with fun pastel pumpkins. On the next page, we have this trio of ghosts here. I think that looks so cute. And then this ghost holding a bouquet of flowers. It says Boothang. On the next page, we have this really fun and busy print. It's got jack-o'-lanterns and cauldrons filled with candy. I think it is so fun. And here we have a little vampire. That's so cute. On the next page, we have a sentiment here that says Eek, this cute little pink bat. And of course, we had to include a haunted house. On this page, we have a double photo mat with journaling. I love this witch's hat. I would wear this. It's pink with black polka dots. You can't go wrong with that. And another cute little spider. And again, I do have photo mat templates, so all you have to do is trace the photo and then tuck them in like so. On the next page, I've created 2 half pockets. And on the left, we have the cute little witch with her broomstick, and it says, feeling a little witchy. And then on the right, we have this cute little black cat because every witch needs her cat. In the back, I have these cut apart pieces. This is a tag. It says, R.I.P. Ghostly Greetings, and then Ghostly Wishes. This is a template that I was talking about. On the second pocket here, we have more cut-aparts. Isn't this spider adorable? It's so chubby. Have a spooky good time and then spooky wishes. Now, I've only included 2 inserts for each pocket, but you can easily add in another 2 to 3 photo mats if you like. On the left, we have a little banner that says Hocus Pocus. We have another little boy trick-or-treater with his pumpkin. And then on the right, I love these little witches here. They are so adorable. And it says Good Witch. On the back of my mini album, I've included this fun sticker. This is actually a ticket that I've backed on black cardstock. And it says Happy Halloween. To from, so you can fill this out, and it says witches, ghouls, ghosts, goblins, and vampires. All horrors welcome. Isn't that fun? Here's another look at my adorable ghost mini album. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to visit my channel frequently to see my fun fall and Halloween projects. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.